Pandemic-proof. Despite challenges, the Living Water refilling business thrived while others struggled.
As we all know, the pandemic hit without notice, mandatory lockdowns, lahat nagsasarado. Kami, we embrace the danger of delivering water to the community. So kami lang yung nag-move. Para kaming mga army of God na nag-deliver ng water. Pag meron kami mga tao dito, mga household na totally hit, na talagang cannot go out dahil merong sakit na COVID, nagbibigay kami ng tulong sa kanila. It really, literally a saving grace for us.
Plans para for the convenience na rin of our clients na kahit after operation, hindi na nila kailangan mag-register daily every after operation.
Fulfilling the essential need for clean and healthy drinking water.
Para dun sa mga naghahanap ng business opportunity, Living Water is a good business opportunity for you dahil umulan, umaraw, umaha, bumagyo, lumindol, magpandemya, tubig ang una nating pangangailangan. At syempre, saan natin pupunin? Walang iba. Dito lang sa Living Water because in Living Water, we make the best even better.
Thank you for being part of our 20-year journey. Cheers to more years of success with Living Water System Incorporated.